Hello, fellow genealogy enthusiasts. Have you ever hit a roadblock in your family history research and felt like you've exhausted all your options? You might be overlooking some valuable free genealogy websites that can unlock crucial clues about your ancestry. In this video, we'll walk through the best 7 free genealogy websites you might not know about, each packed with hidden gems that could take your research to the next level. Stay tuned till the end, because you don't want to miss out on these lesser-known resources. Let's kick off with FamilySearch.org, a site you might already be familiar with, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Family Search is operated by the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints and is one of the largest free genealogy resources in the world. It offers access to billions of records from all over the globe. But here's where many people miss out. Family Search isn't just about basic records like census data and birth certificates. They also have a treasure trove of digitized books, family trees, and local records you won't find anywhere else. Next up is a hidden gem for those of you with American ancestry, the US Gen Web Project. This is a volunteer-driven project that focuses on local US genealogical records. Every county in the US has its own page, loaded with free resources such as census data, church records, local maps, and more. Each county has its own archive of resources, many of which aren't available on major genealogy websites, and sometimes they often include cemetery transcriptions, military records, and family biographies. So instead of only searching for your ancestors by surname, dig deeper into the county archives where they lived. Sometimes local resources contain hidden treasures like court documents, probate records, and old photographs. Moving on to the next helpful online genealogy search called Find a Grave. That is a website many researchers use for finding burial information, but it offers more than just gravestone locations. This site is a crowdsourced database containing millions of records worldwide. You can find burial locations, dates of death, and often photos of the gravestones. Also, on Find a Grave website, you may discover the spouse, children, and other ancestors. Other genealogical sources, such as biographies, that may include additional information about the person's life, relationships, and historical context. Fourth on the list is a powerhouse of genealogical information is Cindy's List. This site acts like a search engine for genealogy resources, offering over 330,000 categorized links to websites that can help with all sorts of genealogical research, from adoption records to ethnic studies. Cindy's List has many specialized databases you may not think to search for. For example, you can find old maps, genealogical societies, and historical documents that aren't available on mainstream sites. It's constantly updated, ensuring that you have access to the latest genealogy tools and resources. You can bookmark the categories that align with your research, whether you're looking for specific records like military service, land deeds, or unique ethnic resources. Fifth, we have Chronicling America, a hidden treasure for those who love exploring old newspapers. Hosted by the Library of Congress, this free resource gives you access to digitized U.S. newspapers from 1789 to 1963. Imagine discovering a wedding announcement, an obituary, or even a news article featuring your ancestors. Here you may discover obituaries and birth marriage announcements often contain critical details that don't appear in government records, and local news stories that can offer context about your ancestors' lives, including social events, job promotions, or community involvement. You can use advanced search features to filter by location, date range, and keywords to narrow down your search and uncover unique stories. Number 6 on our list is the National Archives, also known as NARA. This site provides access to millions of U.S. government records for free. From military service files to immigration records, NARA offers vast collections that many researchers overlook. Finally, we have Open Archives, a lesser-known resource for European ancestry. While it's especially popular for Dutch and Belgian records, this site also has valuable records from other European countries, including birth, marriage, death, and land records. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more genealogy tips. And let Book Serenity know in the comments. Have you used any of these sites before? Or are you excited to try one out? Let's discover our family histories together. Thanks for reading and happy researching.